today. It's me again, Teacher Jenny. So today is Thursday, December 3rd, 2020. And every Thursday, everyone, our first session, we are going to study Writing Bright 1. Unit 2, Simple Present, My Grandma to page 25. Now everyone, please prepare your textbook, Writing Bright 1, and let's start. Before we begin to our new lesson for today, let's have a review from our previous lesson. How much do you know about water? Let's go back to that previous lesson, everyone, and let's talk about this. Last time we talked about how much do you know about water. Now for this lesson, everyone, we change some words to present simple or simple present form, right? As you remember, everyone, we have three parts: nature of water, water on the earth, and water and life. Now, let's have a quick review for nature of water. So for the number 1, everyone, as you can see, we have choices inside the box, right? Let's have an answer for this one, even though we answered already. So for the number 1, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, 212 Fahrenheit, and turns into vapor. Correct. So we change the word to simple present form. Another example in water on the earth, there blank 2 types of water on the earth. So what is the correct form for this sentence, everyone? Correct. There are 2 types of water on the earth: salt water and fresh water. Now for our final part, water and life, water blank important to our lives. So instead of using B, we change this one to is. Water is important to our lives. So that is our review lesson from previous lesson. Now let's move on to our new lesson, everyone, building paragraph to page 25. For this lesson, everyone, let's complete the sentences by changing the verbs into the right simple present form. So we have, as you can see, everyone, you can see the open and closed parentheses in here, like here. The Nile, B. So what is the correct form for this word? The Nile, what is the correct form for this word, everyone? The Nile is a very long and wide river. Next, it runs through the African continent. It starts in Burundi and ends in Egypt. Then it flows into the Mediterranean Sea. There are several dams in the Nile. They control the waters of the Nile. So for this part, we didn't change. We do as it is. Also, they also provide water for farming and prevent flooding. So from control, provide, and prevent, we use this word as it is. So we keep this one, the original word. Now for our part 2, read the following paragraph and write one of your own. So as you can see, everyone, you have already your example, Uncle Brian. For your exercise in your textbook, write about a person you know, a person in your family, friend, or a hero. So tell something about that person. So by the way, everyone, if you didn't get the correct answer for our part 1, so here's our answer for the part 1. We change the verbs into the right simple present form. So here. Alright everyone, now let's move on to our exercise for today. Write a paragraph describing the longest river in your country using right simple present form. So you are going to write one paragraph only in your notebook or a piece of paper and send that your answer to your teacher's personal telegram. So that is our lesson for today for our first session, Writing Bright 1. Okay everyone? So don't forget to finish the exercise for our first session, also your classwork. And we will see you again in our second session. Bye!